Here I have my chicken wings. They've been cooking for about 20 minutes. I've been flipping them off and on. You know, they're looking good. What I'm going to do now, well, I'll take the barbecue sauce, put it on the wings like that. I got a spoon, I'll spread it around. Yeah. There we go. The chicken's about done, like I say, so I'm just putting the barbecue sauce on there for flavor. Taking a spoon, throw it all over. It's nice and coated everywhere. Okay, what do you think, huh? How's that looking? Starting to cook now. How's that? Get across on in that beans, barbecue sauce. A little more here and there. Cooking, baby. It won't be long. Won't be long, baby. So these will be done. What I'm going to do now, turn my cream. Turn these over. Looking good, baby. Nice and crispy. You want that crispy on there, you know, barbecue style. Don't want just the plain. You know what I mean? Now what I'll do, put the barbecue sauce on this side, all over. Be generous. I'll take a spoon, color it around. If I turn the heat off. And wow, cooking away, baby. And there you go. That's my barbecue chicken wings. What do you think? Yummy. Are they ready? I'm gonna eat all those. Well, not all today, but you know, I got today. There's next amount tomorrow. So there you go. Chicken wings. The way I do it. On my Blackstone. Enjoy your day. I'll be enjoying mine. Oh, yummy.